What's going on, guys? Nanu Garage here. In today's video, we're finally putting our new wheels up on the F-150 Raptor that we picked up. So I told y'all we were gonna pick them up. We got them, and now we definitely need new tires. So I did do a few burnouts and stuff. Woo! But man, I cannot wait for these wheels to go on the car. It's gonna look so much better. It's gonna really complete the look. So as you can see right over here, now it's gonna match all the other gray on the car. Instead of us having the silver wheels over here, it's gonna flow a lot better with these. And at first I was thinking of running maybe some Nitto grapplers, but instead I decided to just go with the regular wheels that the Raptor comes with, because I still want it to stay smooth on the road when I'm driving it, and then these will be good enough on the off-road, on the sand and dirt and stuff like that. Not gonna lie, on the way over here the tires were kind of bouncing around a little bit. It was a little scary because I felt like it's gonna be one of those videos where the tire bounces out of like the back of someone's car and just flies at another car. But I'm glad that didn't happen. Tires made it here in one piece, and yeah, so we're gonna get them put on very soon. So it's actually going to take longer than expected because they have to take off the rings off of the wheels. So they told me it's going to take a little bit longer, but I'm glad that they didn't just turn me down or anything like that, and that they're still going to do it for me. So they're currently taking the rings off of the tires, then they'll start installing them on, and then they'll put the rings back on. Alright guys, they just took off the old rims, so I'm bringing the old rims back with me and I'm keeping them. And now they're mounting on the new tires onto the new wheels, and we should be rocking and rolling very soon. Check it out, guys. We got the new tires and wheels, and it looks so much nicer. We also got our old rims sitting right over here along with our tires right in the back. But check it out. It looks so clean now. I'll show you more in-depth videos in the future, but this looks so dang clean now. We got our light bar up front right over here, you know, and then we're gonna put our fog lights on too later on in our PA system. So the build is coming along nicely. Looks very good. I'm super satisfied with these wheels. It looks really fantastic. And I cannot wait to go take this thing on the off-road, because that's the one thing we haven't done yet. So stay tuned for that. As of now, we're gonna secure all this down so it doesn't fly out while we're driving on the freeway. Go pick up a Costco pizza right now. You already know what it is. Maybe a churro if they have one. I hope they have a churro. I don't know why they canceled it recently. Alright, so now we're ready to head back home. Got all the 4 tires secured here. We got our wheels, rims, whatever you guys like to call it. Let me know what you guys call it down below in the comment section, because I know there's a lot of controversy regarding that topic, if they're wheels or rims. But I like to call them rims. So we got our rims back over here, and then our tires in the trunk, so we should be good on the road. And man, these wheels are so much better because it finally ties in and it matches all this plastic around here and this metal right over here, and there's just gray tones to the car. This matches it absolutely perfectly, the sideboard, so it has really good contrast to it now. And these old wheels, as you can see, just I didn't like them at all. You know, that silver just wasn't that nice at all. So it looks really good with the gray, matches perfectly, flows well. So yeah. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of today's YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on all of my content. Also, let me know what you guys thought of the video down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys like the look with the new wheels. Let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. Stay tuned too, because we're going to be installing the PA system very soon on the Raptor, and we're going to be installing our fog lights with our amber lights too very soon, all on the Raptor. Just like that, this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell. I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next video.